Hello everyone, this is FreelyDake1 here, and today I'm going to show you how to make snow blocks. Okay, so you need 4 snowballs. Then you pick a corner that has 4 squares in it, and you put the snowballs in 4 squares. And there you go. Here's your snow block. I hope you liked this video, how to make a snowball block. Okay? If you want to watch any of my videos, like, subscribe, favorite, and thanks for watching.